So I got your 30,000 foot overview
All right.
of the workshop.
Okay.
Tell it to me like 15 years old, or I'm graduating high school. Man, what can I expect out of your workshop?
So it's funny. I'm checking my phone. I just got a text from Matt Cooper.
Oh, okay.
Right.
You listening?
You listening?
Oh, okay, good.
So the relationship that you built with the Coopers is exactly how it will benefit a teenager. Coming to the workshop is all about relationships. The success in this business is all about relationships. Without those relationships, where will we be? So the benefit of dealing with us is we know when to say when. I think that has really propelled our success. We know when the time is right to take action. We know when the time is right to joint venture. We know when the time is right to become a strategic partner. We know when we see the market or people in around us struggling, we know when to teach. Mm-hmm. Now, you'll hear people say, well, those that can't do, teach. Well, we can do both.
Yeah, but nah.
Yeah, but nah. We can do both. So we're teaching people to come in and evaluate their resources and their opportunities around them and learn how to invest in themselves and how to either A, borrow or lend money to provide themselves with an opportunity to either purchase or sell a home for some sort of gain. It may not be financial gain. It may be for some sort of wealth, internal wealth or self-wealth for the future. It may be for your family. It may be for your person. It may be for your coworker. It may be for your associates. That's all we're doing. And then you repeat that with the masses. And then you build a relationship where who would ever thought with the Coopers? I mean, who would ever thought that from us attending their auctions, I don't know,
10 years ago?
Probably longer than that.
Yeah, probably longer
15 years ago. Mm-hmm. That now we having 2-3 hour conference calls with them like it's nothing.
Right.
So I think that's what I would say. I would say, we're going to show you A to Z. I mean, I can only get through so much in 2 hours, but A to Z, a deep dive in this opportunity. I'm going to show you how that house over there, it's been abandoned and vacant for X amount of years. Well, how do I find the owner? Well, I'm going to show you how you find target leads to find the owners of houses like that. I'm going to show you how to find the money to renovate that house. I'm going to show you how to empower and provide wealth to other people who may not want to take the same risk as you, but are willing to take a financial risk, but they don't have the time that you have. So basically, that's really what we're doing. We're maximizing our time. That's what we're doing. We're showing everybody how to maximize their time to build financial wealth.
Through real estate investing.
Through real estate investing.
And related opportunities.
Yes, sir.